Come inside of my heart if you're looking for answers. Look at the stars, go a little bit faster. Come inside.